Dear students, here I will explain about sublimation. Sublimation, you know, the process in which the solid component will directly convert into gas. There is no intermediate liquid state. So the setup is like this. Okay, here you see that is the sublimation setup. A component has taken iodine used to sublimate, ammonium chloride, that is also sublimate. Okay, sublimate means the compound which undergo sublimation, that is called sublimates. Okay, so mixture of, suppose there is a mixture iodine and sand has kept here in this utensil. So after some time you can see, if you give some heat, then that is the setup, entire setup, and that is called Bunsen burner. So when you give heat from the Bunsen burner, then what happened, there is a that is a just cotton plug overheat and a inverse funnel, you can say. Okay, inverse funnel is a funnel is to inversely kept on that kept on that substance mixture. Then you can see, if cotton plug will be here, means totally it will be air restricted. Okay, then after giving heat, after some time, here the iodine crystal will just deposit happens, deposition of iodine crystal happen, because students, you know, after getting the heat, the iodine will vaporize, mean evaporate. There will be no liquid step, so that iodine go above, here it will condense and deposit here. Okay, after just go up, here just be condense and deposit in that lining of that funnel, and sand will be stay in this pot. So I hope you can understand that is the process sublimation. Here it has written, okay, leaving sand behind, the gaseous iodine obtained as solid upon cooling. Okay, so after the distillation, here is the total entire setup of distillation. You can see this is the setup. Students, distillation means two different substance, means solid liquid mixture, that is soluble, the method separation of a liquid from a soluble component by first converting the liquid into its vapor and then condensing the vapor is called distillation. I am directly showing you the setup and make you understand, because in exam this setup used to come, so practice more. You can see first, that is a round bottom flux, round shape below. Okay, so that is called round bottom flux. Inside there is also known as distillation flux, So inside distillation flux, two mixture is there. Students, soluble mixture, you know, that is salt water, you can say. Okay, salt water, maybe in somewhere you say that you read that by evaporation also salt water can be separated, but student, in evaporation you will get only one component. Okay, after boiling salt water, sugar water, you can see the water will evaporates, there you can't separate the water, you just get only one mixture. When after boiling, the sugar will be there, but salt will just evaporates, water will evaporates in sugar water molecule will evaporate when you go with the vapor boiling. When you are just boil the water, suppose sugar water you are boiling, continuous boiling, then the water molecule will vanish, but sugar will be there after some time of boiling. You can see that when no water will be there in the pot, but you can't collect the water. Here students, in this separation technique, separation means sugar also you will collect and water also you will collect. No, nothing, no component will go nowhere, both you will collect, that setup. Okay, so a soluble mixture will separate it. Suppose you have taken here sugar water, then students, after here in the above portion of the distillation flux, you can see there is a condenser is attached. In condenser, one side water in, another side water out. Students, why? Condenser means, you know, always it will be cold, means when the vapor will start generate here, that vapor will pass through it. There is no way otherwise there, so cork is there, totally it will be totally air restricted. Okay, so the generated vapor used to move that way, and when it will move during as the water direct continuously pass through it, it will absorb absorb cold from the water. Okay, means it's become hot vapor become cold due to the cold water. Okay, continuously water is passing, that is called condenser. Proper setup is there. Now there is a conical flux, students. When it will pass up, reach up to this point, it will convert it into liquid. Which vapor will come? That liquid will drop by drop will collected in as a pure liquid in a conical flux. So this is the entire setup. So how this setup? So you just keep in volumetric flux. You can see first converting into liquid. First convert that liquid into vapor, then condensing the vapor is called distillation. I hope now you can understand. So this, there is a condenser, all process has explained over here, and you can see suppose salt water, you give heat, water evaporate and it will go through this path and collected here, and salt will left behind in the distillation flux. Okay. Now students, another process is centrifugation. This thing, you know, blood sample used to collect it when you are go to a pathology, they have this instrument centrifugation, because they used to separate the blood particles with other from the water and other, you know, inside the blood there is around 40%, 60% only water, minerals and different type of things, and blood is a colloid, and inside that that much portion is there water, minerals, different things, and solid components means blood particles means WBC, RBC and platelets are 40%. So they are colloidal form. So how they will separate? By this centrifugation method. Solid blood platelets will separate it from the its liquid part. Okay, and by to pathology experiment, different types of experiment, this process is needed. So it is the machine, centrifugation machine. You can see there is this type of tube is there, and by using their entering these are have a special name, and entering this system, okay, sample and close these and give them the electricity, then they will very speed it will move inside it. Okay, that means both, so speed it will spinning. Okay, after spinning of happens, that spinning will separated the different component of the mixture. Okay, so that is called centrifugation. That the method of finely suspended solid component in a liquid by spinning mixture at a in a closed container at very high speed. Okay, after providing electricity, you can see a sound will create, and very high speed the spinning happens inside it, you can feel that, and after that spinning will separate the two the components present in the mixture. So this is the process of centrifugation, and next video student I will explain about this one, fractional distillation and separating funnel.